Now, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. She got in.
I sent you something on Snapchat.
Like, well,
If that guy was a kidnapper, he's like, hey, 2 for 1.
yep, this is what they mean when they say friends till the end.
What's he gonna do?
I was like, Abby, no, we need to run. And she's like, this is fine. That's why I take a straight from sleep. Yeah.
Whoa, that was bright.
I was like grabbing her arm and I was like, Abby, we need to go.
This has all the red flags.
This is literally all the red flags. It's literally like this.
I wish you'd pop soccer.
See, even ours. Oh.
She had, good gut instincts to run away from her. Jenny, are you having fun?
Jake.
Ooh, pretty. Oh my goodness. I see.
Good ball. Okay. Gummy? You gummy? Here you go. That was still a grandpa. He's hanging out. Pick flowers.
Whoa.
I know it's fireworks. You want sissy? Okay. Sit right here.
Holy crap. It's 10 o'clock? No. It's not allowed to be. It doesn't feel like it. Lady. Lady. Child of mine. What?
I watched Victoria's. You watched Victoria's? I just that was it. I like Ariana Grande.
I know, yeah.
Sam and then Sam and Cat. I watched that.
Yep. I secretly watched Sam. I wasn't allowed to. My parents were really strict, and they did not let me watch any shows that had like real people in it that weren't like cartoons. They claimed it gave me attitude. So I was only able to watch cartoons.
I don't know. Look at her. She has watched Victoria's and Sam and Cat.
Attitude is.
I'm tired. I want to go home. Whoa. Hey, why aren't you watching?
Probably got your attitude from your dad more than anything.
Because I have to do something that would keep my mind busy so that I don't get super duper tired.
What would you like me to,
Your mom or your dad?
would you like me to, put a bright light in your face?
No.
Give me your arm back.
How is it already almost 1 a.m.?
It's freaking 10 o'clock.
It's almost 1 a.m.
You know how far away 1 a.m. is?
An hour.
3 hours. Learn your time.
What even is the thing?
Can I take a selfie?
About?
You moved. I'm posting this on YouTube, so I have to, if you want to watch the fireworks from last year, I posted that on YouTube, didn't even know it. Or I guess I knew it, but I forgot. I don't know.
On the beach, and then someone was playing.
It had 35 views.
Uh-huh. I'm sure.
Nicki Minaj.
I don't think so.
Sorry.
But yeah, sitting on the beach right next to the ocean, watching fireworks is pretty cool.
Vibes do sound great.
Every time I hear a vibe, not a vibe, not a vibe.
I followed that guy.
Ah, bug. Looking at a picture of you looking at a picture. I just
Yes,
took.
I'm gonna go to Japan.
Took a picture of you taking a picture.
Picture of me looking at a picture of myself.
Yes.
Wait, imagine if you
You
took,
haven't done that before?
imagine if you took a picture of me taking a picture of myself.
Good job, Messi.
Let's do it. I'll take a picture of you taking a picture of whatever.
Whoa.
Holy, whoa. Which tripod are you using?
Oh, oh.
This one's
Wait, do me do it. Ready?
That last
I'm not using any thread. I'm crazy.
like flashback.
Not zoomed out enough. Where's your face? Whoa, that's dark. I blinded you. It's supposed to be fireworks, but instead it's just.
How long are the fireworks?
Let's see. How long do I want to stay up for?
You stay up till 1 with me? We could say Happy New Day together. Whoa, that one was red, white, and blue. Literal 4th of July. America.
Why are you training
Yes, you were right. We had a big argument too about what you were. What were the options? I don't know.
I want to tell
to?
something.
My mom.
I
My
said
mom.
teacher. I said teacher.
No.
Start, yeah, huh? I said start said something about her birthday on Facebook. I said teacher.
No.
You were the one that was wrong. What did you think out of it?
I said
A
teacher.
police.
No, I didn't. I said.
I could never.
I
No
said
one
a
will listen to
pet.
me. Come out with your hands up. Where's the police officer?
I said. I said a pet dogger.
Oh, a vet. Oh, I didn't want to be that for a long time. And then I
Yeah,
realized
that's
I was
why
too
I
dumb for that.
remember.
Lily.
Yeah, but I
Look what
realized-
Juliana spelled your name. So.
Say,
I also didn't want to be.
say, spelled it wrong. Try again.
Yeah. So.
How long? Wait. So you're 19. And
No, no, no,
then how
do you need
long
help spelling offensive? 'Cause that's not
How
right.
long has?
It's
How long?
OFFE.
Okay.
Just
And
think about it.
I feel I may or may not have like done really bad in ELA.
I'll be in school for 3 more years, so I will be like 22.
Wrong, try.
Yeah, I'll be like
Wrong
21
spelling,
years
try
old when I
again.
graduate. I think I'll be 20.
Promote offensive side eye. Try again.
You just didn't know what you're talking about.
I can figure this out.
19 plus 3.
Did you say Lily has pink eye? No, I don't.
She said Lily has pink
I'll
eye.
be 22.
And she spelled your name wrong.
Yep.
Hold me up then. I'm trying to get a good view. I had a really good view.
I'd start with your
I
shirt.
love you too.
No,
Do that.
Here's the condensation in my water bottle.
You want this?
Wash my hands.
Where's your face at? It's not picking. Oh, there we go.
Murder. Maybe we're gonna murder.
Forget the fireworks.
We're gonna murder.
Forget the fireworks. But
The booms are loud.
you want some headphones? You want mine?
No.
I'll get you mine if you
No.
video and take pictures. My back hurts. I need to fix my posture.
Yeah, my neck hurts.
My name is Lily. I have good posture. I have good posture. I promise.
No, you do not. No, you do not.
I saw you the video. You had a video of me, and I knew. I need to fix my posture.
Sounds like a big.
Doing great, sweetie. Doing great. You can be whatever you want to be. You can be a tornado. You try.
The song I was singing, I don't remember what it is.
Did I tell you about that? You can do it. You could be a tornado if you try. That sounds condescending and mean. I don't know.
I'm gonna post
There's
this
a,
on YouTube.
There's a lot of words that I think I'm using right, and then I'm like, wait a minute, no, I don't think I'm using that right. And then I check it, and sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong.
Yeah, you gotta share.
Thank you. Nice. Good. Nice.
My camera quality.
It's okay. It's not bad. You can crush it.
What are your cousins doing?
Bye.
Whoa, that looks amazing. Look at this thing.
It's solid, yeah. But it's not like all the way through.
Let me see.
I really hope you don't teach your kids that.
I have the urge to upload.
Super big.
Oh, do you?
It's very
I don't even. I know like the first 2 sets.
Because of the friend on Fortnite. That
What? Oh wait, new friend, new bestie?
new bestie.
What are we gonna call? What are we gonna call? We can Ruby. Ruby, that's her name. Oh, Ruby B. So I'm calling GB1.
When you go
You talking to GB1? What's this for G? You talking to G? I like that. Then you should walk up to me and be like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, "You're doing great, sweetie."
That's the kind of vibe. And yes, as you can see, I was like, excuse me, I'm a hell of God. I mean, because I am so shy. Love you, tight. Stick of that and got my eye on you. Where got my heart there running away? Made me like a drama that's coming away. Can't you hear that boom, 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 back? Can't you hear that boom, 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 this one's how? Yes, I did.
You're not enjoying the fight, Luke. You can put them for me. Actually, never mind. You have terrible camera skills.
That's why.
Wow.
It feels very nice to have good posture. I have no idea. Yes, it does. It feels great to have good posture.
It really.
Have you ever tried to have good posture? It feels amazing.
I have. You want to know what happened?
What happened?
I killed myself. You know I'm a ghost, right?
Whoa, that's...
What did I say?
You're a ghost? Please. I miss 2020 TikTok.
No, you silly, that's your butt.
This is your. Look, this is your butt.
Oh yeah.
This is your.
Wow, Lane, look at that.
Step those things.
Whoa, I'm not zooming. I'm gonna have so many pictures. Whoa, it's getting bigger and bigger. I feel it in my heartbeat.
Yes, I watched the whole thing.
Whoa. That one was pretty. Hold that. That's recording me, right? Yeah.
We're gonna watch it.
Take that.
It's not working. It's really hard.
What you know about me? What you know about me? That's not mine. Probably should find that. No. Is that taken out? Is it closed? Yep.
Well, you should watch the recording.
See how good I did. See how good I did. My hair looks. I don't like you. No. I don't like you. I don't like you. Ring finger you.
Ring finger you.
French toast.
No, I hate
French
French toast.
toast.
Pancakes.
There will still be waffles. There will still be pancakes. There will still be French toast. It's a hypothetical question. Say, what are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
My ingredients. I'm not a psycho.
Yes, you are. You are a psycho. We're all psychos here.
I don't like them. Okay, now I know where I get it from.
You
bros be poppin'? What you know about me? What you know about my mustache came off? Your mustache came off? I had a mustache. I had a mustache on my finger, and she had glasses. So you can go like this.
I still have my mustache.
Mustache, double decker mustache.
I still have my mustache.
My lip gloss be cool. My lip gloss be poppin'. I'm fine. My lip gloss be cool. My lip gloss be poppin'.
Ready?
Yeah.
Run. Run. Run.
Get back a little bit. We don't know how big this is.
Run. Big. Scary. Scary.
This one you told us.
Farther. Maybe a little bit farther.
Louder. It's louder than I
Come on, Mama.
expected it.
Whoa. Whoa, dude, scared the crap out of me.
Get closer.
It's not.
Now run.
You know that's what it's gonna shoot. I was just telling you. I go, that's where it's gonna shoot the stuff.
I wasn't ready for that. You should have told me that.
You don't walk behind it.
My scream was so delayed.
Both of you guys
I wasn't prepared for that.
can't really see it.
Zoom in. Zoom in enough, it'll do the dark mode thing.
Thank you though. But the middle sticks in the side. Don't shine it in my eyes.
I'm trying to. I zoomed in too far.
There you go. Fire.
Shiny diamond.
Lily. 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 Don't do that. After this, I'm gonna grab an ice cube because I burnt myself.
I think I need to make an outro.